Hey guys, Trailhead Brothers here. Today we're going to do a project walkthrough. Quick start, create a sales email prompt. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create your playground. I hope you have already done so. Okay, these are the steps that you have to follow. I'm not gonna repeat it again. Okay, let's start. We have to make sure that the Einstein is enabled. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the top right, settings, setup. A new tab will open. Okay, in the quick find, just write Einstein, EINS. Okay, we have to go. Let's go. Einstein setup. We have to go here. Einstein setup. Okay, this is the one. Just click on it and wait. Just click once. Okay, it's on, and then we have to enable Einstein for sales. Okay, then we have to let's click here. Copy this and search it here. Einstein's for sales. Okay, before I proceed, in here, what this trailhead tells us is that we can also, send email with the help of AI. So here we are using prompt builder to configure a prompt to send email to any contact person based on the information available. So that's what we are doing here in this in this project. So let's go ahead and make sure that Einstein for sales turn on sales email is enabled. As you can see, it is disabled. We have to enable it here. Okay, it's enabled now. It can take a minute or hour. It happens, so we can go ahead with the other steps. Okay, before drafting the setup, we have to create a connection between two objects. Let's go to object manager. Here we have to search for guest event. Let's say in the quick find guest event. Here it is. Let's click here. Click fields, click new, click lookup and new. Okay, let's go to here, fields, here new. Then we have to click lookup relationships. Okay, here it is. Let's click next. Okay, now what we have to do, external reservation, next, save. Okay, external reservation, next. Next. I think it's already selected. Next. And again next. Click save. Okay, we are done with this. Okay, now you can associate a reservation with a guest event. Create a new external. Okay, let's go back to the first tab. Okay, let's go to the first tab and let's go to sales. Click on the 9 dots on the top left. Just click once, it will appear. Here it is. Click sales. Okay, here it is. This one, the third one. Okay, then we have to go to this external reservations tab and click new. Here it is. Let's click here. Then we have to click new. We need to create a record. Select today's date for the check-in and 5 days later for the checkout date. Okay. I will select any date. You can select. Let's select 5. And the next I will select 22. Okay, let's copy enter suit for the room type and save. Type suit and save. Okay, we're done. We have created our record. Okay, now associate SI with a guest event. Click the guest event, click all, and click GE this. Okay, let's go to here it is guest event. Click all from the list view, and then we will search here. I think this is only one. Let's click here. Okay, let's see. Click edit, and then select ER4000. Okay, and save. Select. Okay, here let's select our this ER4000 and save. This is the guest event. The previous was our external reservation. Now we have to create an email. Let's go to setup. Let's go to prompt builder. New prompt builder, sales email. Okay, let's go back to our second tab, which was setup. Here we will search for prompt builder. Let's click on it once. Okay, now we will click on new prompt template. And here we will select send email. Yeah, sales email. Here it is. As you can see in the sales email. Now we have to enter a prompt name. Welcome guest. Welcome guest. Okay, then see, and okay, for the template description, let's copy. For the recipient, make sure contact is selected. For related object, search and select guest event. Okay, guest event. Okay, it will be like this. Then we will click next. Okay, here it is. Then just copy and paste this text to your template. Let's copy this and paste it here. Your recipient, your name is this. Your cassette check-in is your use concise. Relate using words. We have the next one. First add a title, icons, add a preference, and then we will check-in. Option big first and find the difficult and add this information to the email. Create the Wi-Fi network, mention password in case you're calling for the ceremony. If you have any queries, and now generate the email for the case. Okay, now we're sending email. Guest event. Okay, it's the check-in event. Okay, let's see what we have to do. GPT for Omni Mini. And that's on the left side. GPT for Omni Mini. Okay, this is already selected. Within the template in the policy, delete the placeholder for the check-in date field and leave the cursor in that position. Okay. It's check-in date. Okay, check-in date. It's removed. The guest event external reservation check-in date. External reservation check-in date. Okay. We have to do for the checkout and also for the room type. Remove it. Guest event. External checkout date. So guest event. External room type. Okay, we're done. Okay, a paragraph explaining the reservation. It will be like this. Okay, as click save. Okay, it's saving. Let's go ahead. Next preview and activate the prompt template. Click preview button. Salesforce Sophia in GE01. On the top left there is a preview. Here we will select Sophia. Here we will select GE1. Okay, click preview and we will see the response. Let's click here. Okay, this is the email it is generated. Now our prompt is looking like this. Then activate our prompt. Let's activate it. It is activated now. Okay, we have to distribute. Now we have to use this prompt. Let's go back to the contacts and let's find her. And let's go to the contact. Okay, go back to the first tab. Here you can see here. This is a contact. Here we will on the top right there is a list view. Just click on here. Okay, click on all contacts. Let's search for the Sophia here. Just paste and then click here and then it will appear here. Just click on it. Okay, everything is here now. Now in the activity section click the arrow next to email. Okay, and here we have to select this. Okay, in the email draft the reply, click draft with Einstein and use this and select this event and continue. Okay, draft with Einstein. Use the preview. We use this one. Welcome guest. We will use this and continue. Okay, it's written here. We can check if everything is correct. Okay, click done and click send. Okay, done and send. It is sent. Okay, it is sent. Okay, now we can verify our work here. Congratulations, we are done. Thank you. Kindly, if you have any feedback, kindly share it with me. And also, kindly follow and subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. If I upload ever, I want you to know it. And thank you. Also, my next video will be about the challenge, the Superbadge for the AI agents. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Yeah.